guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amani Agrawal and अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फटाफट से जाके सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. So as you have read by the title, this video is about a review video of Plum aloe vera gel and e-luminance makeup remover from Plum. So you know this Plum aloe vera gel, this is a very hyped up product in market. So before that, please watch my previous video which was on my these pre-wedding vlog kind of thing. She got married recently, so I have put up a vlog and you will see the I button here somewhere. Before that, just a quick life update. It's a very bad news for me. Matlab, I lost my Instagram account and I had just touched 1k followers on my Instagram and it was so sad. Matlab, I don't know, I cried so much. I tried to recover it, but it has been, I guess, 1 week now. It hasn't recovered. It was so heartbreaking at that time. I did everything I could do. I asked my friends what to do. I looked at YouTube videos, many things, but then there was only one solution, that is Instagram appeal. We have to appeal to Instagram. So let's see when it's reactivated again. If not, I know if I have built that page, I can build a new page again. So let's get back into the video. If you buy a product, it takes time to just penetrate onto your skin and to see whether it reacts or not. It takes, I guess, 21 to 23 days to just show up changes on your skin. So I was taking my time and then I couldn't get time to shoot a video. So now here it is. So I bought this two products, that is this Plum Hello Just Gel. Hello Just Gel, it's something like that. It's a Plum product and this is another product from Plum called E-Luminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. So this is the product. The first product I'll be reviewing is about this Plum Hello Gel Just. Hello Just Gel. It's like very difficult to just say these words. I don't know why, but yeah. So this product claims that it has 99% natural ingredients and free from artificial colors and fragrances. What I think about this is that yes, this video has no, this product has no fragrance and no artificial colors to it. You know, aloe vera gels, if you have seen Patanjali aloe vera gel or Vaseline aloe vera gel, any aloe vera gel, sometimes it's green color. I don't know how it is green color because aloe vera gel is always a transparent color. Many of you must be knowing that Plum Goodness is a brand that claims to be 100% vegan and 100% cruelty free. So their products have no parabens, no toxic chemicals in their product, and ek aur cheese, Plum products are like very reasonable and it's an Indian product, so why not we use this? But you know, every skin is a different type of skin. It reacts differently on a different person. This product claims that we can use it on our skin and hair also. I didn't use it on my hair. I will definitely, but see this, the product is this much, I guess. I have used it enough to review you guys, so I'll be reviewing about the skin part. So the MRP of this product is 395 and I got it for rupees 316. That is 20% off and Nykaa पे अभी भी I guess 20% off ही show कर रहा है. You can buy this product and this product has मतलब super major quantity, I guess 250 grams and just 316 rupees is a very good deal. And the shelf life of this product is 6 months. I guess if you use it regular, the shelf life is enough to use it because अगर हम इसे regular use करेंगे तो ये obviously 3-4 months में I guess complete हो जाएगा. I wax my whole face for the removal of my facial hair because that's the only thing which suits on my skin. Razors doesn't suit. So what I do is I just apply this gel to, you know, calm down my skin so that वो bumps नहीं आ जाए because काफ़ी लोगों को problem होती है कि bumps आ जाते हैं and then pimples हो जाते हैं when itching होती है face पे. So you know, that चीज़ को ignore करने के लिए I always apply aloe vera gel. So what I like about this product that it is a great moisturizer agent. If you are a oily skin type, you can just go with this aloe vera gel and you don't need any of the moisturizers or nothing else. But if you are dry skin, you can go with a moisturizer with it, and you know, it gives a very cooling effect to your skin, which is very great about this product. And it hasn't reacted me. I have been using now this from I guess 2 months or 1.5 months, I don't remember. One thing is good about this is that it penetrates quickly onto my skin and doesn't feel that sticky. You know, the natural aloe vera gel, they are very sticky. It is sticky, but compared to that, it is such a nice product. Oh, by the way, मैंने लेंस लगाया है आईज पे like first time. Let me know if this lens are looking good on me. So yeah, what I don't like about this product, there are two things. One, that is I don't like the packaging of this product. I mean, I know how it is packed, it's really good and I like that, but when we receive the product, it's not in the box or like a one layer covering, like you know, एक कवरिंग होती है, पहले बॉक्स होता है, अच्छे से कवर्ड होके आता है, यू नो, इट जस्ट कवर्ड हियर सो दैट प्रोडक्ट गिरे ना. सेकेंड थिंग विच आई डोंट लाइक अबाउट दिस इज व्हेन इट ड्राइज अप इट लीव्स फ्लेक्स. मतलब यू नो दैट स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, इफ वे लाइक जस्ट टच आर स्किन एंड लाइक थोड़ा सा अगर हम खुजली करें तो वो फ्लेक्स निकलने लगते हैं. सो दैट्स नॉट गुड एंड आई विल नॉट रिकमेंड इट एज अ मेकअप प्राइमर बिकॉज इट क्लेम्स टू बी अ मेकअप प्राइमर ऑल्सो, बट बिफोर मेकअप आई विल नॉट अप्लाई दिस डेफिनेटली. So I will show you the texture of this product. Okay, so it's a very liquidy kind of substance, like very runny when we use it, because see, it's very runny. This is the product. Okay, so can you see how runny it is? Oh, don't mind my nails. Don't mind my nails because यू नो मेरे साथ क्या होता है, जब मैं कुछ वीडियोस कुछ भी लुक प्लान नहीं कर रही हूँ, तब मेरे नेल्स को मैं इतने अच्छे से केयर करूंगी, नेल पेंट लगा के रखूंगी. आई लव माई नेल्स व्हेन आई केयर फॉर देम, बट व्हेन इट्स अ यूट्यूब टाइम और इट्स इंस्टाग्राम टाइम, हमेशा मेरे नेल्स की कंडीशन कुछ ऐसी हो जाती है. सो या दिस इज द कंसिस्टेंसी. सो आई टोल्ड यू इट विल पेनिट्रेट क्विकली, सो लेट्स वेट and I'll show you how it looks. Aloe vera gel is all skin type product, whether it's dry skin, combination skin, oily skin, acne prone skin, anything. So just go with it and yeah. So coming to the second product, which is this Be Good E-Luminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. So it comes in a pack of this. So you have to first of all, पहली चीज़ तो मुझे लगा कि ये इधर से ही ओपन होगा, बट ये पता नहीं बैक साइड से ओपन हो रहा है ऐसे. I don't know why is this packaging like this, but yeah, so it's a box like this. I didn't plan to buy this product, so because of its packaging I bought this product. I wasn't knowing anything about this product, and so here they give a card type thing, which they give instructions how to use this balm. Packaging is really good about this product, and it is a 90-gram product and has a shelf life of 6 months. That is, I guess, okay-ish, because आई डोंट नो, मतलब मैंने हमेशा जो प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए हैं वो या तो 9 मंथ्स होते हैं, 1 ईयर 2 ईयर शेल्फ लाइफ होती है. इट्स जस्ट दैट टू सी दिस लो, आई मीन शेल्फ लाइफ, it is not satisfying, you know. But yeah, 6 months I guess is more than enough to use a product. The MRP of this product is 545 rupees, which I think is ठीक है यार. मतलब जो I guess cleansing balms होते हैं इतने, I mean price के, but I don't think it's more and I don't think it's less. It's medium range and I guess you can buy it, but I got it for 463 and with a 15% off I guess. And अगर आपको अभी परचेज करना है, अभी भी I guess नाइका पे 15% ऑफ है इस प्रोडक्ट पे, so you can use it. And you know काफ़ी क्लिनजर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो फेस को ड्राइंग कर देते हैं, फेस लाइक काफ़ी ड्राई हो जाता है, but this is not one of them. Okay, see, it's written very well here that it doesn't test on animals and 100% vegan. It claims very well here. So I guess this is very good about this product. It's a 2-in-1 balm, which is normal as a cleanser भी इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं जिनकी ड्राई स्किन है वो, and इसे हम मेकअप क्लिनजर्स की तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. It works very well as makeup cleansers, but the point is it is not recommended for acne prone skin. And I thought like अब लाइक मेरी स्किन काफ़ी ज़्यादा ड्राई हो रही थी, सो आई थॉट वाई नॉट यूज़ बाम्स. सो मैं रेगुलर मेकअप करने लगी थी, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ इट मेरे जो क्लिनजर्स, बिकॉज ऑफ द क्लिनजर्स माई स्किन वॉज सो ड्राइंग अप. सो आई थॉट वाई नॉट बाय अ मेकअप बाम विच विल feel good on my skin. So I bought this stuff And my skin, trust me, my skin is acne prone skin. Whether it is dry, it is normal type of skin, combination skin, my skin is acne prone skin. So आई थॉट यार चलो कोई बात नहीं, नॉट रिकमेंडेड फॉर एक्ने स्किन, एक्ने प्रोन स्किन. तो अभी तो मेरी स्किन काफ़ी ड्राई हो रखी है, सो आई गेस आई कैन यूज़ इट. बट नो, इफ़ यू हैव एक्ने प्रोन स्किन, मतलब आपको एक्ने होने के चांसेस हो सकते हैं. सो आई यूज दिस प्रोडक्ट ट्वाइस, थ्राइस, आई मीन 4 times 5 times, एंड अभी मेकअप की वजह से नहीं दिख रहा होगा, बट आई गॉट पिम्पल्स, आई गॉट मार्क्स हियर ऑन माई चीक्स. So I will not recommend it to use it on acne prone skin because you know I didn't feel good about this because मेरा काफ़ी टाइम से ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा है स्किन का, बिकॉज मुझे काफ़ी वर्स हो गई थी मेरी स्किन. आई गॉट इन टच विथ वन ऑफ द डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट एंड शी इज़ रियली गुड. So I got treated, and then I guess after 4 to 5 months I used this product, and all the marks, all the pimples got it again. Like, I don't know, I did a very big mistake. So if you have dry skin, well and good, because this is such a nice, I mean, very good on skin, very good. It glides very quickly, like thick consistency hai. I will show you the consistency. So this is the consistency. It has a very thick texture, you know this. So I have to take it the Bake product. It has a touch of 8 plants, waxes, oils, butters, and vitamin E. So this product is really good for dry skin. So here, can you see it glides very quickly and very smooth on skin? See this, very good texture it has. I mean, why not use it? Like, dry skin wale are so lucky that they can use this product. And it smells like it has a very irritating smell, I guess. थोड़ा सा आई गेस, मतलब कुछ लोगों के लिए इरिटेटिंग नहीं होगा. सो आपको इसे कैसे यूज़ करना है, इसके इंस्ट्रक्शंस इस पे लिखे हैं. जस्ट 3 steps and you are done. Pick some, rub gently and rinse away. So these 3 are the steps. Agar if you are comfortable using warm water on your face, you can use warm water. I mean, after applying this, rinse it off with warm water, because this has oily texture. So you know, product अच्छे से निकलेगा नहीं if you don't use warm water. But मैंने जब भी इसे यूज़ किया है, मैंने इसे कोल्ड वाटर या जो नॉर्मल टैप वाटर आता है, मैंने उसी से यूज़ किया है, एंड अच्छे से निकल जाता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती. Definitely your choice how you want to use it. And coming back to the aloe vera gel, so it has dried up very quickly. And what I was talking about is, see, I will show you how flakiness it is. So see, this is how flaky it looks, you know, hair. Like, you can see the flakiness. I mean, this part, I don't know, maybe if you are able to see or not, but ये ऐसा हो जाता है. So this is what I don't like about this product, you know. एज अ मेकअप प्राइमर तो फिर इसे बिल्कुल भी यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. आई विल समिट अप दिस वीडियो एज, आई मीन, I know Plum products are really good and I really love this product, but that balm, which is not for my skin, I will definitely not use this. If I have bought it, I will give it to my sister or someone. So yeah, elder sister, or घर में बहुत लोग हैं यार, so I'll give it to anybody because I can't use this because it's not good on my skin. But definitely give it a try if you have dry skin, and aloe vera gel is best, you know. But for makeup primers, I will not recommend it. So this was it. So guys, yeah, that was it for the video. Please do not forget to please follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. तो अभी नहीं है, so कोई बात नहीं. So yeah, that's it for my video. And please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and hit the bell notification for my next update on YouTube. So yeah guys, bye.